Fixed Zoom cannot connect to Bluetooth problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and search for Zoom. As you can see, there is option of update, which means we do not have the latest version of the Zoom application. So tap on update and start updating the application. Now after updating the application, all you have to do is make a long press on the Zoom application on a device and tap on app info. After tapping on My App Info, all you have to do is tap on Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on Clear Cache. Then tap on OK and then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here, such as contacts, files and media, and other contacts, camera, and so on. After this, your problem might be fixed, so just go and check on your Zoom application. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.